Familiarize yourself with the F-sharp minor scale before diving into the melody. The F-sharp minor will let you get comfortable with the notes that make up the tune. You'll gain confidence in quickly identifying and playing the musical notes with comfort and ease. Learning music has never been easier. The musical notes are provided with proper timing, guiding you step by step to master the melody. All you need to do is follow along, and you'll find yourself progressing faster than you ever imagined. With consistent practice and attention to these notes, you'll be learning the melody in no time. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano And if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.